So good evening everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. So quickly discuss about the result. So here we have discussed about the Nifty that this trend line is very important, that we have make this support and resistance. So and it has opened a huge gap up due to the US market. So market has consolidated, but in the second half whenever it has break the fast 15 minutes candle low, if you see it is in 5 minutes time frame. I am showing it because of the clear understandings, but in 15 minutes time frame if you see this candles low will be same. So after the breakdown of that range I have initiated a selling trade at the last half. So here I have booked a good amount of profit. Similarly in the bank nifty also I have discussed about this trend line here as well. This trend line is very important. It has break this trend line and my stop loss is very less. If you see that very less stop loss I have here, but my target was big, so that's why I have also captured some moment here. I have booked more than in bank nifty and small position in nifty. Okay, in fin nifty also our target has been heated. This was a support area, but I have not traded here, right? And in Kotak Mahindra Bank I have also discussed Kotak Mahindra Bank, that this level it is above that 1800 level you can add in the trade for cash or the swing as well, but it has not above that level, so no trade over there in Kotak Mahindra Bank. And we have also discussed about the Infosys. If you see that this was the rejections level that we have discussed, and above that I didn't take any trade over there, but see our analysis has absolutely perfect above the breakout resistance area. It has given a very good move. If you have initiated any trade in Infosys, you almost get 11 up on 0.82 points in a Infosys. It is a very good trade over there, right? And what we have discussed, Infosys, Tata came and Confin Home. Yes, so we have also discussed, I guess, Bandhan Bank we have also discussed. I have not traded any, in Bandhan Bank, but I talked about the W kind of patterns. But you see, this W kind of pattern I was talking about, our 236 above, we can initiate our trade, but it has not, it has opened above this area, but no sustain there. If you have traded below the 234, you have make very good profit over there. If you have traded any there. Siemens is for today, TVS Motor is for today, and what we have discussed Canara Bank. In Canara Bank also, I have taken a small selling position over there, right? This was a level of 329, and below that, we have initiated our trade somewhere around 327. My trailing stop loss was hit because this was the previous closing area, so it will work as a support somewhere around 327. Somewhere around here my trailing stop loss was hit. So here also I have captured a small good move over there, right? So now moving towards tomorrow's analysis, let's start with Nifty quickly removing all the drawings and moving towards the daily time frame. In the daily time frame you will found it has make a very uh, you know big negative kind of patterns over there, right? If you see that this trend line is working as a resistance area so far for the Nifty, and 19 to 50 is the support area, so I'm marking that for you for better understanding. And now also moving toward the 15 minutes time frame, if you see it has taken rejection from the exact same area. Our total market momentum will be shifted if it is closed around 19,450, then 580 will be was our next target. Now first see the Nifty tomorrow, it has is the expiry, so be careful about that. So for 19,400 and 500 is the resistance area, and 19,300 is the support area, right? 19,400 and 500, so somewhere around here this is the rejection area, and 19,500, so here the zone is coming around 460. Okay, so this is the rejection area according to the price action. If you see market has tested multiple time, I am doing that like this. Market has tested multiple times over there, so above that only further long movement will be possible. And the support area that is showing 19,300 and 200 so far. So 19,300 if we consider, the zone is coming around somewhere around here, 19,000 296 to 3 296 sorry 300 to 311. This is a support area for Nifty. If it is break, then the 245 will be our next target, right? And below that, according to the price action, 19,000 to, sorry, according to the OI data, 19,200 is also a very important support. Okay, let me mark that. 19,000, or yeah, 19,200 is a very important support, right? So our analysis will be very simple. See, the global market scenario is, dramatically changing each and every day. Tomorrow, the last night, you see the US market, how it has performed. So our analysis will be very simple, right? There are two or three kind of scenario. Number one is, if market open a little bit of gap up, or somewhere around here, then 19,400 will be the zone to watch out. Market can take rejection from here, otherwise market can break that level. And here, 400 to 470, I would say safe trader don't initiate any trade over there, because the momentum will be very less, right? And premium, if you see, the VIX is at 11, right? 11.80, it is down by 4%, 3.5%, 3.48%. So there is no such movement you will get over there, right? The safe trader go above 19,470. I am marking that above 19,470 our plan will be only for long. Below that, if you find any negative pattern in the 400 area, you can plan for selling from the top. 19,300 will be the support area. 300 to 245, you can plan buying from the deep, buying from somewhere around here. If you make very good support, to see market has tested multiple times, this is a very good support area. If it is take support, you can buy from here. Otherwise, you can plan whenever it given breakdown of that range, you can plan for further selling in Nifty, right? Now moving towards the bank Nifty. So bank Nifty, first see that in the daily time frame, for the overall, getting the overall scenario and removing all the drawings over there, you see it has making kind of M kind of patterns over there. If it is break 44,100 this level, then the next target will be little bit of support, it will get around 950, but below that 43,700 will be our next target, right? Now moving towards the 15 minutes time frame. So in 15 minutes time frame, it is showing 44,800 is a hurdle, and primary support will be 44,150, 160 this area, and below that 43,996 will be our next target. Let me see in the option chain data. In option chain data, you will find the main hurdle is 44,500, and the main support around 44,000. 44,500. This zone is so far will act as a very good resistance area. If you see that 44,500, right? This zone is a hurdle area for bank Nifty. Main resistance you can face over there, right? And similarly, 44,000 is a support area. So 44,000, according to the pricing, 43,393 is the zone to watch out. So here our analysis will be very simple. If market open flat or break that range, you see that the support it has taken 44,171, you will get a very quick trade around 43,933. This will be a very good trade over there, and below that our level will be around 43,744 will be our next target, right? Like similarly Nifty, if you find any negative pattern, you also can plan for selling from here. And in any dip, if you find 43,744 and somewhere around here, you will also find a very good buying opportunity here as well. Okay, and similarly, this is a rejection area. This trend line can act as a resistance area, so you also can watch this level, uh, you know you know for your better understanding. And that's all for bank Nifty. Here the level, very important level, for 4171, 393, right? The very important area. Here in the support, you can plan for buying, but for the safe trader, you can buy on the dip. But for breakout, you have to wait around 44,750. Like if it is break 44,750, in the next hurdle, for sure you will get around 44,939. See, for the our market, the main momentum is sell on rise, right? So for the buying, you will not get enough positions enough gap over there. But for selling, if you buy only on the dip, you will get a very good chance. But for buying in the breakout, not that much room over there. So you have to watch that very carefully. Now moving towards the Nifty Finance. Nifty Finance, see, all the levels are same, but quickly discuss about the in the daily time frame. Daily time frame, if you see, okay, I am removing all the drawings. See, it is also like Bank Nifty making invert M kind of patterns, and 19,900 is the resistance area, right? According to the price action. Now moving towards the you know see 19,900 in the according to the Y also very good rejection area 800 and 900, but there is no major support so far. It is showing little bit of support. You will get around 19,600, right? Almost 100-point buffer over there. Now moving towards the 15 minutes time frame, and see the levels. 19,900 was the range. Here it is exactly the same, right? Fin Nifty, it is rocking, and now the support area it is showing, it is around somewhere around 19,600, but price action is saying 19,623. If it is break that range, then the next support you can expect from 19,544, and below that the level would be around 19,450 to 400, somewhere around here you can expect a support area, right? For buying, I would say to avoid in Nifty, because there are no such movement. You will get very good supply zone whenever market reach here. Correct, very good selling, very fast selling we are getting from there, right? So our analysis will be very simple in Fin Nifty. If market open flat or little bit of gap down, also mark that range. Flat or little bit of gap down, if it is open, then plan for buy on the dip. Otherwise there is no such chances over there for buying, because now 19,000 770 800, right? 825 840, all these zone will be work as a resistance area. So for the safe trader, right, our best opportunity will be buy on the dip, or if it is break that range you can sell from here, right? All this level you can play accordingly. You also can buy from here, and market if open flat, make any rejection from the top, you can sell from there as well. Okay, Nifty Finance is a very simple analysis. You can plan accordingly. Now moving toward the stocks that we have. So the first stock that we have, that is uh, the first stock that we have, that is Siemens. So if you see Siemens India, it is totally consolidating in this range, moving towards the 1 hour time frame, right? So it is totally consolidating in the range. I am marking that level. This is a support area, and this is the 380 to 390 resistance area. Okay, so if it is given breakout of that range, then 3900 will be our next target for Siemens India. Okay, if it is also given a breakout of that range, then 3940 will be our next level. And for support area, the first area support area will be 3843. Moving towards the 15 minutes time frame, you see that 3843 is the main support area, but below that the our target will be around somewhere around 3785. This is the level that is coming. Very good momentum we can get if it is given a breakdown of that trend. Okay, that's why Siemens is very important. And the next stock which we are going to discuss, that is TVS Motors. TVS Motors, similarly it is also consolidating in this range, right? If it is given breakdown 1410, then the next target you can get around 1390, somewhere around here. The next support it is coming. Very good target you can get with a small stop loss. Moving towards the 1 hour time frame for find out the rejection area. Oh, it is trading at all-time high area, right? So that's why it is also important. You can also consider it for swing trading. I'm just marking that range. If you see, it has given breakout of its 1393, the rejection area, and trading around somewhere around 1415. So if you, and the volume is also very high, so if you find it little bit around this 1396, I have drawn that level. If you found that somewhere around here 1390, somewhere around here, on intraday basis you can sell below that. But if you find here and it is making very good candle taking support from here, you also can plan it for swing trading as well. It has given a very good breakout. So TVS Motors for both intraday and for swing trading, both you can watch, and of course I will share the result for sure. Now moving towards the last stocks that we have, that is Bank of Baroda. So let it open. The Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda today just has taken some pause over there, and in 15 minutes time frame we will find the level that is showing the rejections area 192.50, somewhere around here. Let me draw that. 192.25, little bit in the 192.25. This is the hurdle area for what is called the Bank of Baroda, and above that the level is coming around 193.65. Okay, and above that if it is also given a breakout, then 194.90, you can also take it for swing as well. Because in option, if you see, the momentum is very slow. This is small market cap, small stock, so you can plan accordingly. If you are familiar with options, go for that. Otherwise you can plan for plan that in a cash as well. Similarly, 191 is a support area. If it is break that range, then the main support we will get around 189.35. A very good selling opportunity we can get, but little bit of support it can take from 190, so we have to be very careful in this area. Okay guys, so that's all for this video, and I will share the result for sure. And have a good day. Best of luck for tomorrow. Bye.